This is Carol, and this is Jim. They're both B2B business owners, which might include lumber wholesale, IT installation, commercial cleaning, or something else. B2B means their customers are businesses too. Either way, their customers pay via invoice, which means Carol and Jim both have to wait 30 days for payment even though they had to pay cash up front to provide their goods or services. That means their cash reserves are low. Meanwhile, new customers are coming in. Carol has an asset-based line of credit from Dealstruck, which means she can draw against her accounts receivable and satisfy those new customers. Meanwhile, Jim is still waiting for payment from the original order, which means he has to turn away customers because it might be longer than 30 days before he gets paid. Carol is happy. She's increasing her revenues, growing her bottom line, and she also has more customers. Meanwhile, Jim is stressing out. He's dealing with his lumpy cash flow and a stagnant customer base. Carol is also happy because Dealstruck is up to 70% cheaper than the other options. And we don't contact your customers, unlike the other options. So come to Dealstruck.com and get your business growing.